Well, gents, it looks like we have another package from our friends at Stylist. Now, I believe it's been about 2 or 3 years since I've reviewed their curated style service, and to be honest, I don't know what they've been up to since then. But they recently hit me up and wanted me to do a revisit review for you guys, and here we are. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar with Stylist, they are an online styling service that curates outfits personalized to you without any styling fees or markups. So what makes these guys different from all the other styling services out there is that you pay one fee per box, and that's it. It's not like your card is on file and you have to select what you plan to keep and return or anything like that. So you don't have to deal with, sticker shock when you're opening, your package. There are also 3 plans to choose from, ranging from $99 to $299, and I believe I am getting the Regal plan box for this review video. Now, I also want to note that I am starting with a clean slate with this service, meaning that I created a new account and have a new stylist curating my outfits this month. Shout out to Sandra, by the way. Now, as I took their style quiz, I noticed that they included more options to fill out than last time. I think updating the quiz with actual neck and sleeve measurements for dress shirts and chest size for sport coats was a good addition to, ensure proper fit of the stuff they sent out. And they even added a style inspiration section where you can take screenshots of outfits you like online, and your stylist will use that to build an outfit you're looking for. I highly suggest you add as much detail as you can when you're filling out the style quiz. I'll be honest and say that mine was pretty short, and it really didn't give my stylist much detail on events I need outfits for or anything like that. But I did include my Instagram as well as a full body shot of me standing. So I didn't leave them completely in the dark. All right, so enough yapping. Let's get into the unboxing. And I'll also include the brand of the clothes that they sent out as well as their original retail price. All right, so my first impression of my box, not a fan of the shoes. I think if I were to do this service again for next month, I would tell them to not send shoes, and that way they could use the credit for the shoes and get me something else like accessories or another shirt, pants, or something like that. But yeah, not a fan of the shoes. And if you are someone that has like quality dress shoes that are Blake Stitch or a Goodyear welted, then I think you should skip it as well. Next is this polo shirt. I'm not the biggest fan of it. It sort of looks like a golf polo, and it's like this light green. In the style quiz, I didn't put that I avoid green. I mean, I would wear this color, but I don't know. I have to see how it looks. So I'm guessing my stylist looked at a few of my reels where I talk about performance dress shirts. This is one of them. This is from Work Rest Karma, which I'm quite familiar with. Never actually owned anything from this brand, but it feels very nice. All right, can't complain about a nice clean pair of gray dress pants. I'm just hoping they'll fit. And I also want to note that I did size up for this stuff. Instead of like a medium, I went for a large and stuff like that. It's because it's difficult to shop online and stuff. So I may have to get things hemmed or tailored. But these chinos actually feel very nice. I'm really digging these olive to wash chinos. This is by Luciano Visconti. That's how you pronounce it. But these feel very nice. Hopefully these fit. Now this is probably my favorite shirt out of the bunch. It's from a brand called Garnet. I'm not familiar with it, but I did look it up online, and it seems to have some very nice, cutaway collar polo shirts and stuff like that. So I'm hoping Stately has like more stuff in their inventory from this brand. I just love how casual it looks. It works with a lot of stuff in my closet, and it actually has like a full length collar. Many shirts today have like very small little collars, but this one has like an actual full size collar. So really like this. All right, so I'm gonna wear everything the way my stylist suggests I should wear these. So for the first outfit, it's more of like a business casual outfit. Here we go. Yeah, not bad. I mean, the fit, this could use a little bit of tailoring, but that's just my life. My arms are very short. But yeah, pants, they're stretchy. They'll break in. And for the shoes, unfortunately, they didn't fit me, so I'm just using these as a replacement. Now, I will say that I wish they would have sent like a matching belt for the tan. This is a reversible brown and black belt. So if I were to style it myself, I'll just skip the belt. But yeah, I think it looks way better without the belt. Outfit number 1. All right, so here's outfit number 2. All the pieces that they sent is mostly interchangeable with one another. So if I wanted to swap out, these gray sweatpants with the chinos, it'll still work. But yeah, here's outfit number 2. Number 3, I untucked the polo shirt, swapped the dress pants for these olive wash chinos. And then the shoes, I think this is a well coordinated outfit, with the wash chinos in the light green, and then the tan Oxfords, brogues, whatever. But yeah, outfit number 3. And here is outfit number 4. I would say that this is my favorite outfit out of the bunch. This is actually something that I will actually wear on a casual day out. The chinos, the wash chinos, and this sort of like chambray looking knit shirt with the shoes. I'll probably swap it for like tan Chelsea boots. It's a great casual fall look. This one's my favorite. I could probably tuck this in as well and just wear with the belt that they sent. So here it is, tucked in with the belt. I think it would look great also with dark brown Chelsea boots. But yeah, I didn't think I was gonna like the chinos that much, but I really like how they feel. The color, sort of like the wash faded look, and they fit very well. I never heard of this brand either, but yep, that's outfit number 4. But let me know in the comments below, would you guys use a styling service like Stately? I know there's a market for it. I know there are guys out there that don't want to take the time to shop. They hate it, and they don't know how to coordinate an outfit together, and they just don't want to take the time to learn. But for me, I love this stuff. I love shopping. I love getting custom stuff made, and the way a styling service like this would benefit me is that it introduces me to pieces that I would normally not go out and buy. And it brings like brand awareness as well, introducing me to new brands that I wasn't aware about, like Garnet. Definitely gonna check out what else they have in store, or who else is selling stuff from this brand. And these chinos are very nice as well. I've never heard of this brand either, this Luciano Visconti. But anyways, guys, that wraps it up. Thanks. Peace. Now, as for the things that I did not like or didn't fit right, Staley does free exchanges, and you know, your stylist will make a note on what not to send you next time. So yeah, overall I would say it's a solid start so far, and I would love to do a second box review where I could give a stylist a situation that I need an outfit for. I think that would be a great follow-up video to this one, and I can be more critical as well. So if anyone from Staley is watching this, you know how to reach me.